In this video, we will show you how to generate scripts from Har files in Silk Performer. When it comes to Har files, usually the following two questions arise. What is a Har file? And how can Har files be useful? So first things first. Har stands for HTTP archive. The Har file format is an evolving W3C standard. The purpose of a Har file is to store performance data about web pages. And Har files are supported by a variety of tools, including popular web browsers like Chrome and Firefox. In a nutshell, these are the basics about Har files. So how can Har files be useful, especially in regards to load testing? To answer this question, let me introduce John. John is a salesman in a big insurance company. For his everyday work, John uses a web-based CRM tool, which is developed and maintained in-house. John usually uses Firefox, his favorite web browser, to work with the CRM tool. Occasionally, when a lot of salesmen access the tool simultaneously, the performance of the tool drops considerably. In such a case, John can now use Firefox to record his workflow and save the recording in a Har file. John now hands over the Har file to Robert, one of the in-house performance engineers. And Robert generates, with the help of Silk Performer, a comprehensive load test out of John's recording. So here are the main benefits of incorporating Har files. To record a workflow, there is no need to have Silk Performer installed. Virtually anybody can now record a workflow, be it developers, managers, business analysts, or salesmen. To do so, all you need is one of the widely used tools, like a modern web browser. Remember though that the Silk Performer Recorder is still the most advanced and robust tool for recording load test scripts. Now let's see how we can create a Har file and how to import it to Silk Performer. For this demo, we'll be using Chrome to create a Har file. First, we open the Developer Tools and click the Network tab. When we now browse through our test site, you can see that the Network tab only shows the performance data of the last visited site. This way we cannot log a set of steps. To do so, we have to click Preserve Log. Now the log is persistent and we can record an entire workflow. When we're done, we right-click somewhere in the table and click Save as Har with Content. The controls and buttons are named differently in the various browsers. In Firefox, for example, the checkbox is called Persist Logs. And to save the file, click Har and Save All as Har. In Internet Explorer, you have to first enable the capturing and then disable the Clear Entries button. When we open the Har file in a text editor, we can see its basic structure. Now we can open Silk Performer and import the Har file. Note that when we import the Har file, it is converted into a capture file, which again is used to generate a script file. We can either click Project, Add Capture File, and Import and Convert Har file. Or we right-click the Capture Files node in the tree to import the file. The capture file page displays, and the SBCap file shows up in the tree. We can now generate scripts as often as required with different settings. The script displays in the editor, and the PDF file is added to the scripts node. We've successfully created a Har file and converted it into a BDL script, which we can use to set up a full-fledged load test. Incorporating Har files in your load testing workflow is straightforward, and it may be highly beneficial also for your load testing efforts.